leaves. Like we just got here in Tahr camp, and it's absolutely ridiculously pretty here. I mean, beautiful river coming down through the valley, mountains all the way around, snow-capped mountains. I mean, it's pretty striking here as far as beauty.
Oh, 11 inches. We can do better than that, so we'll let him go. It's actually not a bad ball, that back one. Up there under that tree. Okay. Gonna give you a sight. Oh, stop you bugger.
Let's take this one.
It's 200 yards.
Yep. Here we go.
Good shot. Hit him in the neck. I watched that bullet hit it. Great shot. Great shot. Good work. Good work.
We got it. Oh, that was.
I could see that in the spotting scope.
So I was trying to pin him on the top of it.
See that other one walking away up behind him?
Let me get this on. There's your pack, Hal.
Around. There's another ball down below, but he's not a top.
Dan, where's he at?
220 yards. 220. Good shot. Good shot. Dead centre in the shoulder, mate.
Calm down, calm down. Yep, I got him.
He's going to stop surely. Yep.
There.
Yep. He's down.
Woo. Oh, man.
Good work.
Oh, that worked. That's a pretty good shooting bench.
Good stuff.
Hey, man. Thank you very much. Todd. Thanks, brother. Steve. Thanks, buddy. Holy cow. I mean, I was trying to suck for air, and all at once I was like, it's like I had a filter. Wow. To get awesome bulls, I'm so excited. I mean, look at
Yeah,
this.
so you'd start down in here. It'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I got you.
I'll give him 9.
Wow. All animals and super cool trophy.
I'd shoot him all day long. Beautiful ball. He's got these long, skinny black tips. That's where you get your length.
Can't say enough good things about Glen Dene.